Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ula penpau ba undai ubriu ba KmenTam. Lada Menteri Rangba Berem Kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangma unwandrung syak NPP. Ya kania ula keren haba juba balo kejingkeli bahatu Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ane mendrung no syak NPP. Haba keren ikilat patai kubor haka kandru terik uno pra arajar arpusan uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulero Dr. Mukul Sangma. Da keboong bo ude unong ilam uba start uba tibet bah bad ude uwe di kidong ilam bakrau jong kejela. Halor kejing pensyai jong Dr. Mukul Sangma ke Badang Shen, halor kejing penihar syuki uba Sniawbhalang Dhar baru uba Presiden Tunsong haka senam arajar kat nyo. Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulong ba kwa asyuk ban paidien ya ke baladap. Halor ke kubor jong kejing ilang balak bandan hapadang Dr. Mukul Sangma bagi dong ilam ke NPP at Delhi. Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulong bakam pada kapor banyak keren nomor ke election gerang jengai batkin siapet pat hadian. Habal keli hato ke NPP kan pediang neam. Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulah penpau biang ya kejing sungus met jung udah keboong ba unde ubre uba KmenTam lada Dr. Mukul Sangma unwandrung syak ke NPP.
See, Sir Mukul is a tall and veteran leader, and I respect him. And he always, he knows what he talks. I really respect Sir Mukul. He's one of the tallest in the states.
And
I don't want to repeat about the past. I am always friendship to him. He's always friendship to me. These things too early to comment because election is another 2.5 years away. That time will come.
But is the door open for Mukul?
I'm telling you, according to me, you ask me personally, I'm the happiest man. If you come to us. On my personal opinion.
will you try to bring him?
We will see. Not the right time to discuss all this.